In this lecture, we are going to learn about the continue statement, which is used in case of for loop.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
So let me write the comment like continue statement takes the control at the beginning of the loop. So what it will do is, wherever we will apply continue statement, it will leave rest of the loop statements. It will not execute them and take the control at the beginning of the loop. So I will demonstrate this with the help of an example. Everything will be clear to you. So suppose I have taken a list with the name my list, right, and I'm going to give some values 10, 20, 30, 40. This is a list 90, 100 something. Now I am writing for var in my list. So as usual, it will pick up the values from the list one by one and they will be put into the variable var. Now what I want is, I want to print all the values except the value 30 and 90. So what I am writing is, if var double equal to 30 or var double equal to 90. That means if either of these two conditions are true, then continue statement will work. I don't want to print 30 and 90. So when this loop will work, whenever 30 or 90 will come, continue statement will skip this print statement, which is or any number of statements which would have been written after continue. So I'm giving the comment will skip the following statement. Continue will skip the following statement or statements. Right now there is only one statement, that is print. So 30 and 90 are going to be skipped. They are not going to be printed. So whenever this condition is false, var is neither 30 nor 90, print statement will work. Now I have executed the program. As you can see, it is printing 10, 20, 40, 100, all numbers except 30 and 90. So it's not printing 30 and 90. So I will give you another example so that I can bring home the point of using continue statement. So now I will be having a list and I would be interested in printing only the odd numbers. That means I want to skip the printing of even numbers. So I will be using modulo, that is modulus operator, which is used to find the remainder after a division. Anyways, my list one is the name of the list and I am going to give some numbers like sequential numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So okay, so I just want to print odd numbers only. So as usual, I will give the for loop like for var in my list 1 colon, and here I will make the check if var modulus. If you remember, percentile is the modulus operator. Okay, it returns the remainder after the division. So after the division with 2, it will return the remainder. Okay, if var modulus 2 double equal to 0, that means number is even. In that case, continue statement will work. So this is the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is our loop. Each time value of var will be a different value, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, and each time it will make the check within the loop. It will divide var, the current value of var, with 2. If remainder is 0, that means it is an even number. So we don't want to print even numbers. So that is why I'm using continue statement, which will take the control to the beginning of the loop, and print var statement would be skipped. Okay, so I forgot to give colon after if statement, after the completion of if statement. Yeah, that is the output. As you can see, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we are printing only odd numbers and we are skipping even numbers, because whenever an even number will come, if var modulus 2 double equal to 0 would be, this condition would be true, and continue statement will skip the print statement and take the control to the beginning of the loop.